I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. We will explore simple yet impactful methods to transform your workspace. You will learn to simplify layouts, incorporate engaging visuals, and maintain a consistent style. These easy steps will help you create a functional and beautiful Notion environment, boosting your productivity and enjoyment. Get ready to elevate your digital space. A well-structured layout is fundamental for an aesthetic dashboard. Start by using columns to divide your page into distinct sections, improving visual flow. Incorporate headings and dividers to clearly separate different content blocks, creating a strong visual hierarchy. Grouping related information together makes your dashboard much easier to navigate and understand at a glance. Visual elements are key to bringing your dashboard to life. Personalize your pages with custom icons that reflect their content. Select beautiful cover images that align with your chosen aesthetic, adding a polished look. Consider embedding useful widgets such as a calendar or a weather forecast to enhance both functionality and visual interest. Use color thoughtfully for emphasis. Consistency is crucial for a truly aesthetic and cohesive Notion dashboard. Establish a consistent color palette and stick to it across all your pages. Ensure your icons and cover images follow a uniform style for a polished appearance. Regularly review and remove any unused blocks or outdated information to keep your workspace clean and efficient. This ongoing maintenance ensures lasting beauty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.